Today, we will learn how to add numbers using the number line. We use a ruler as the number line. Let's solve an example, 4 plus 2. On the number line we find the number 4, then we need to add the number 2 to this number. From the number 4 we make 2 steps towards the large numbers. We stop at number 6. The answer to this example is 6. Solve the example with the number line, and choose the correct answer. Find the correct number line for each example. Find the correct number line for each example and put the numbers in their place. Remember, one number line is extra. Solve the example, using the number line. Choose the correct answer. Solve the example, using the number line. Choose the correct answer. Solve the example, using the number line. Choose the correct answer. Maya had 9 coins. Felix gave her 3 more coins. How many coins does Maya have? Put Felix's coins after Maya's coins, and find out how many coins Maya has. To get from the tree to its burrow, the hare first jumped 7 times, and then 7 more times. How many times did the hare jump to get to home? Solve the problem with the number line. Put the hare's house on the correct number. Felix had 6 blue balloons and Maya had 6 red balloons. How many balloons did the kids have? Solve the problem with the number line. Put the balls on the number line, and you will see the answer.